In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a CNAME record in GoDaddy step by step. This is a really useful process if you're connecting a domain to a website, setting up a subdomain, verifying a service, or pointing a custom host to another destination. If you've ever needed to update DNS settings and weren't sure where to start, don't worry, I'll walk you through it in a simple, beginner-friendly way. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, open GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that owns the domain you want to edit, because DNS settings are tied to the specific domain you're working on. Once you're signed in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains and services in one place. After that, go to the Domains area and find the domain you want to update. If you manage more than one domain, take a moment here and make sure you're selecting the correct one. Choosing the wrong domain is one of the most common mistakes people make when editing DNS records. Once you've found the right domain, click DNS or Manage DNS. This will open the DNS Management page, where you can view and edit the records connected to your domain. This is where things like A records, CNAME records, MX records, and other DNS settings are controlled. Now on the DNS page, look for the option that says Add New Record. Click that to create a new DNS entry. You'll usually see a form where you can choose the type of record you want to add. From the Type dropdown, select CNAME. A CNAME record is used to point one hostname or subdomain to another domain name. For example, many people use it for things like www, blog, shop, or app subdomains. Next, you'll need to enter the details for the record. In the host field, type the subdomain you want to create. A common example is www, but this could also be something like store or support depending on what you're setting up. In the Points To field, enter the target domain or hostname you want that subdomain to point to. This is the destination your CNAME record will connect to. Make sure you enter it exactly as provided by the service you're using, because DNS records are case-sensitive in practice, and even small mistakes can stop the setup from working correctly. For TTL, leave it at the default setting unless you have a specific reason to change it. TTL stands for time to live, and the default value is usually the safest option for most users. It tells DNS servers how long to cache the record before checking for updates. Once everything looks correct, double-check your host and Points To values carefully. This is the best time to catch any errors before they go live. If you entered the wrong subdomain or pasted the wrong destination, the record may not work properly. When you're ready, click Save. GoDaddy will then add the new CNAME record to your DNS settings. After saving, it can take some time for the changes to fully update across the internet. In many cases, this happens fairly quickly, but DNS changes can sometimes take a little while to propagate. And that's it. You've successfully added a CNAME record in GoDaddy. This is all you need to do to connect your domain or subdomain to another service. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.